Login failed on Stash Invest fix. You open the Stash Invest app, ready to check your portfolio or make a new investment, and suddenly login failed. It's a stressful moment, but here's the truth. Most login issues come down to simple, fixable problems. Start with your connection. Stash requires a secure and stable network. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or unstable, try switching to mobile data. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Stash sometimes blocks logins from mass tips for security reasons. Next, update your Stash app. Outdated versions often cause login errors when new backend security updates roll out. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Stash Invest, and tap Update. If the problem continues, clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, App Stash Storage, clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes temporary files that may interfere with your login session. Another common reason is password mismatches. If you recently reset your password or change it on another device, log out everywhere and try again with the updated credentials. Still not working? Tap Forgot Password to create a new one. Stash will send a reset link to your registered email. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, double-check your verification code or authentication app. Expired or incorrect codes can trigger login failures. Finally, if none of this works, it might just be a temporary issue on Stash servers. Wait a few minutes and try again. So, if your Stash Invest app says login failed, don't panic. Check your connection, update the app, and reset your password if needed. With these quick steps, you'll be back managing your investments and building wealth confidently in no time.